Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. In this video, I show you guys how to make a quick herbal tea rinse, and I'll be using the anti-breakage tea rinse from Perfect Stopover. This tea rinse has got 6 herbs in it: Chamomile Buds, Dandelion Roots, stinging nettle, horsetail, black tea, and calendula. And I'll be using 2 tablespoons of the tea mix and a cup of hot water. I'll put the information of the teas, or the herbs rather, in the description box below. And what I usually do is I would leave this tea to steep overnight, but when I'm rushing, I let it sit for a minimum of 15 minutes. So once it's warm, anything from 15 minutes to an hour, I would come back and use it. So this time I let it sit for about 1 hour, and then I came back, and this is what it usually looks like. So the next step is to sieve out the herbs, and I use a funnel, a cheesecloth, and a sieve. A little bit extra, but this just makes it easier for cleaning afterwards. And I just sieve the tea through the sieve and the cheesecloth, and that's about it. Usually once I'm done, what I would do is I'll add a couple drops of rosemary oil. When I'm not using rosemary leaves in my tea, I definitely go for the rosemary oil. I'll put the benefits of rosemary essential oil in the description box as well. And this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.